Why does your scanner show the P20BE engine code? What does it mean? P20BE is a diagnostic trouble code for reductant heater B control circuit performance. The P20BE engine code for indicate. The engine control module, ECM or PCM, has detected a malfunction in the heating circuit for system. The DEF system relies on these heaters to prevent the fluid from freezing in cold temperatures. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Defective DEF line heater, damaged or corroded wiring, blown fuses, faulty temperature sensor, failed reductant control module or ECM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like GMC, Mercedes-Benz, Ford, and BMW. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.